Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube Music. So playlists are useful for organizing your music. You can create different playlists for different occasions like birthday parties, road trips, or anything else. And here's how to make one. So first, open your YouTube Music application. In the top right corner, tap on the search icon. Here, search for first song that you want to add it to your playlist. Select the music that appears in your search bar. Tap on the three dots right over here. Now, select Save to Playlist option. Tap on New Playlist from the bottom right corner. Give your playlist a name and you can also add a description. Now, set your privacy, either public, unlisted, or private. Tap on Create from the bottom right corner and you'll be done. Once your playlist has been created, you can go ahead and add more songs to this playlist. Tap on Add a Song option and then search for any other song that you want to add. Select it and you'll be done. Likewise, you can go ahead and add more songs to your playlist according to your preference. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.